Welcome to a weekly warm-up. Tell me if this time of year makes you a little anxious and thinking, well, it's the holiday season, so I better start worrying about eating all of those extra calories and not being able to find the time to get my workouts in. Look, I get it. We just had access to all of that Halloween candy, and Thanksgiving is just around the corner. And then we head directly into the holiday parties. Not to mention, we're running around trying to get all the gifts bought, get them wrapped, get our houses decorated. So finding the time to work out, yeah, it can be challenging. But let me ask you this. Does it really need to be that way? I mean, does everyone you know allow the holidays to completely derail their fitness and health plans? No, they don't. But what do these people have in common who are able to stay on track with their fitness and health during the holidays? They have a plan. They have a plan that works for them. Now, not having a fitness and health plan or not sticking to the one that you have, now this can have negative consequences. You don't want this to happen over the next few weeks just because you didn't take the time to plan accordingly. Look, the holiday season doesn't have to derail your healthy lifestyle. Don't start the new year off feeling disappointed in yourself because you gained weight over the holidays. Instead, head into 2023 with feeling proud because you took the time to create a plan that will successfully get you through the next few weeks with enabling you to stay on track with your fitness and health. And to help you to succeed, I provided a link in the comments below to the Building Blocks Toolkit. This is a do-it-yourself online series. It has 3 different toolkits for you to choose from, which provide you the tools that you need to create a meal, a workout, and an accountability plan, all of which will help to save you time in the long run. I want you to click below to learn more and then to pick the toolkit that is right for you. Well, that is your weekly warm up. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild your inner athlete. Have a terrific week. And as always, please remember, just take it one day, one meal, and one workout at a time. And of course, you got to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for me. I want to see you in the next video. Take care.